not really too sure why last night I thought it was a good idea to set my alarm for 6:30. I have a very busy but productive morning, so I thought we could spend the morning together and show you my new updated morning routine. I am up, just put my watch on. Normally I'm actually very bad and a lot of time I forget to make my bed. Don't hate me guys, but I'm going to do it today. This next step I do usually do the night before. The only reason I didn't do it is because I was up really late baking and I was so tired I really couldn't bother to do it, so I thought wake up a bit earlier and get it done. I'm now at a new gym at David Lloyd where Rosie goes and all of our friends go, so I'm there and I spend some of my days there and work there, so I usually take clothes to change into after. Anyone else find it really hard to pick out a gym outfit because I do it pretty much every single day. I've got so many gym clothes but I never know what to wear. This is my outfit for the gym. Anyone want to donate me the nice gym clothes from like Able, Honor Active, Define, please do. These are from Hollister. This is from Primark, and then I've got a woman's best gym set on underneath, but I'm going to do legs today and I like to put joggers on when I do legs. I'm now going to go and quickly brush my teeth and get ready. I've just walked downstairs and it actually smells like a bakery in here. I'm going to show you what I did last night and why I went to bed so late. What I'm going to do in the gym today. I'm going to do a hip thrust, hack squat, cable kickbacks and then hip abductions, and then I'm going to walk for as long as I have left until 8:30 because then I need to leave and I need to take the stuff that I made last night to one of the places that I supply to. A load of brownies in there and I've got a load of cookies in here with little animal faces on, so I'm going to bring them with me in the car now, and then after I finish the gym I'm going to go straight there, go take them. Then after that I did a Tesco's pickup order yesterday, so I'm going to go and pick that up from Tesco's on my way back. Just going to quickly fill up my water bottle. I need to grab my electrolytes because I drink electrolytes now. I use these ones from Liquid IV, if you was wondering. They are the passion fruit flavour. I'm just put my shoes on and then we need to go. Okay, we are all set and ready to go. If you know me, you know that being 2 minutes behind schedule is really good for me because I'm always late. And yes, I'm 2 minutes later than I wanted to leave, but anyway, we're gonna leave now. I'm going to the gym. It takes 15 minutes to get there, so it's not too bad. It's not much further than the gym I was at before. That is actually kind of like a big update for me, is that I'm now at a different gym where I'm at a lot more. And I'm not working from home as much, which is better for me for many different reasons. I'm here, I'm quickly putting my hair up and then we're gonna go in. I will probably have about 50 minutes, I reckon, to do my workout. I should have really got up. Oh, I thought I was Rosie then. I should have really got up earlier, to be honest, but I didn't. So here we are. And I like to give myself no time. But anyway, it is what it is. I'm gonna go in now and do my workout. Just finished hack squat. I'm now on to hip thrusts. That was hard. I'm now gonna do hip abductions because I can't use the kickback machine because everyone's using it. Change of plans. I'm not going to do cable kickbacks. I'm going to do leg extension, so I don't have time to wait. Now I'm walking. It's going to go until just before 8:30, so I've got that 20 minute walk to do. My leg, I had to stop walking. It's in so much pain, I don't know why. So now I'm doing a massage for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to stretch. I couldn't walk anymore, it was so painful. I've got like a few minutes until I have to do some stretches. I just finished doing the massage bed and I'm going to film all for that. Okay, let's go. Need to go and get in the car now and try car to drop off the cookies and brownies. I apologise for the footage you've just seen because it was probably awful, but I am too embarrassed at the minute to take in my camera because it's the new gym. Another little update for you. I got a new phone. I got the 17 Pro and it is absolutely amazing. I'm loving it so far. I am now here. It did end up taking me half an hour, but why am I even surprised? Like, it's literally just before rush hour. It was literally 8:30 that I left. Like, I'm so not surprised. But anyway, it is now just gone 9 o'clock. I'm going to go and drop these off and then pick up my Tesco's order. It's all done. Got given a free can of Coke, even though I don't drink Coke, so I don't know what I'm going to do with it. 0 sugar, 0 caffeine, 0 calories. Pretty cool. Still won't drink it though. Anyway, I'm going to go home now and have a quick shower and get ready, and then I'm going to start baking. I am showered, changed and ready to start baking. For reference, it is now just before 10:30. I'm just laying down. I have to make 2 sticky toffee puddings and 2 different places cookie orders, but they're actually exactly the same, which is really strange. One needs to be finished and baked today, and one I just need to prep the cookie dough, and then that goes in the freezer because it needs to be finished tomorrow. I've got until about 2:30, so 10, 11, 12. I've got 4 hours to get that done. I should be fine. I should be able to get it all done. But let's go. I've got a load of dates. If you didn't know, sticky toffee pudding is made with dates. This is 800 grams. I just chop them up a little smaller. Then they need to be soaked in water and bicarbonate of soda whilst I make the rest of the mix. And then it all gets added together. Okay, all the dates are now chopped up. Now you need to add over all of the water. This is boiling hot water. It all fizzes up, which is pretty cool. Brooke has literally just pulled up. She is now finished and she is fully done with school, like completely now. Completely done, which is mental. Now I need to blend all of these dates. Now we've got 2 different bowls. This one has got all the rest of the mixture in, and then this has just got the dates. I'm just going to mix this all together. It is absolutely pouring it down with rain. Let's see. Can you guys see that? The sticky toffee pudding is done. Here we go. I poke loads of holes in the sticky toffee pudding, which does take a while to be fair. It helps to absorb all of the sauce, so it tastes even better. I've got the sauce in here and I'm going to tip it over the top of both of them. Oh, this is like the best part. Spread it out and then see if we need any more. Now I'm moving on to the first batch of cookies. This is going to be my Biscoff cookies. I'll show you once they're done. Just put some chicken in the air fryer. I'm going to have chicken and egg fried rice. We've got Biscoff cookies here that are baked and Biscoff cookies that aren't baked. Oreo cookies, these are out the oven, and then these are ones that are prepped. And again, these have literally just this second come out the oven. I'll see if I can even hold one up. Double chocolate cookies, and then here are the other ones that are going in the freezer. So now everything is baked. I'm going to probably only have time to decorate these 2, and I'll have to save the double chocolate ones for later to finish decorating the Dubai cookies, because they don't have enough time to cool now. So we can get these done, and then I'm going to start prepping for my class that I have in about an hour or so. The cookies are all decorated. I want to know which ones you would choose. Would you choose the Oreo cookie, or would you choose the Lotus Biscoff cookie? I don't know. I think I might actually go for the Biscoff cookie if I had to choose. I am all prepped and ready to go, which means that that is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Make sure to comment down below what kind of videos you would like to see from me. Bye!